This is LA Cafety, and today we're gonna do unboxing. So I have Ipsy box here, and then I have this huge box from Amazon. I'm not gonna tell you what's inside yet, but it's opened. So let's start with Ipsy. My husband pronounced it the other day as Ippies. Remember when I did the prank? So he said, "Oh, you have Ippies." Ippies. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'll just pull this a little bit closer. Okay. Look at that. Whee! So, take a break for July. Airplane mode your phone, put up mental. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room, dance party, or a bold lipstick, take a break from the ordinary. Let loose and go with the flow. Where will it take you? I don't know. So, your ultimate beauty staycation. Pedi, please queue up your fave show. It's so hard to get appointment with the Mani Pedi Salon. Queue up your fave show and indulge in a sea salt foot soap. Drink it in, get glowy from the inside out with a beauty superfood smoothie. Make some moves. You can dance around the house. Go skin deep. Fancy a massage? Not really. Yeah, it's expensive here. Plus, it's not allowed. Aloha your hair. Work a scalp scrub into roots to remove buildup. Alright, sounds good. So let's start. What's inside the box? We have this Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Oh, primer. Wait, look at primer. Oh my god, it's so cute! It's pink with glitters. Oh, it's really cute. Okay, we have one. I paid the same amount last time, but I ordered extra something like lip gloss the other day. So Sea Tart, what's this? Curl Mascara, Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. So yan, they have before and after. Yeah, maybe I need it. I have small lashes. So let's open it. Eee, so cute. It's green, sea green. Oh, I love green. Green is one of my favorite colors. Whoa, it's cute. Okay. Oh, bango. It smells really good. Haha. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I like this brand. Maquillage. I don't know how you pronounce it. Multi-dimensional eye color. Eee, it's cute. It's really heavy. There's like a tape here. And you have to open it somehow. Oh, look at that. It's so cool. And it's really heavy. Let's open it. I don't know how to do this. Oh, fancy, right? It's for night outs. Okay. This is so cool. I'm keeping this box. It's so cool. Ah. And then, oh, finally! I've been wanting face mask from Ipsy. So we have this mid-flower hyaluronic acid. moisturizing mist. So we got 3. And then we have, I need it. My lips are dry. Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. So, created in Los Angeles. So this is made in USA and I trust this. Okay? If it's made in USA, it should be good. Because we have strict regulations here with cosmetics. And once it's made in USA, you can trust that it's quality item. Oh, I can open it. I don't want to tear it. I'll open it. Should I open it? It's so hard. I don't want to tear the box. I have to. Okay, whatever. Oh, look at that. It's so pink. I want to try it now. Oops. Sayang. Oh my gosh, it tastes like Avon. Okay. Avon. It's really good. And of course, that's it. We have the Ipsy pouch. Wanderlust. This was my username on Snapchat before, back in 2013. Then I changed it to something else. So that's all for Ipsy. So we just gotta put it back here. I'm not gonna edit this video because if I have to edit it, it will take me about 2 months before I upload the new content. So whatever. Go back. Okay. So time for the big box, which was partially open somehow. So it's about 3 feet. 3 feet tall. What's inside the box? Ooh. Oh, look at that. Ta-da! Ta-da! I thought I ordered black one. So this is a mannequin or mannequin sa Tagalog. Kasing sexy natin. Yeah. O, diba? Oh, diba? Same. So the measurements like 34 for the bust, and then 24 for the waistline, and 34 for the hips. So that's actually my measurement. Yeah, so this is perfect for all my clothes that I'm gonna try or just display in the room, whatever. So I don't know, should I assemble it now? I'll do it later, but diba? Pareho lang oh. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, more kulitan. Thank you. Bye.